Welcome to How to Solve. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you tips on what you should do after updating to iOS 16. So first is to update the carrier settings, and to do that, go to your phone settings and then scroll down to General. Tap on About, and once you are on this page, a carrier settings update will pop up, and all you have to do is to click on Update. And next is to go to your App Store and make sure that all your apps are updated. Updating apps is important to maintain app stability, security, compatibility, and to enjoy new features and performance improvements. It is recommended to regularly update your apps to ensure you have the best possible experience and protection on your device. And lastly is your battery percentage. So go ahead to your phone settings, then scroll down to battery, and then tap on battery percentage. So consistently monitoring your battery percentage can improve insights into the health of your device battery. And that's it for this tutorial, and I hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.